Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we have extraordinary PPs, which one we are going to show to these all things and share the knowledge about these all extraordinary PPs. Now, Mr. Mr. Hassan, Mr. Hassan is wearing to this diving suit, complete diving suit, which one when we are going to inside the water, at that time we use to these all, and this type of full body protection. And then now a cold weather, and during this weather if we are wearing to this diving suit, easily we can stay inside the water. And this one is breathing line, which one if he is diving to there, at that time he can use to this. Also this goggles he can use to there, and gloves and everything, proper diving suit he is wearing now. And the next we have other all PPs, different type of PPs, and different people they are wearing now. Mr. Munib, he is wearing to this face sheet with helmet, and with chin strap also. And Mr. Hashim, he is wearing to respirator mask. And this mask we use mostly if they are painting or something. At that time he is wearing the helmet with the ear muff also. And Mr. Umar Zeb, he is wearing to respiratory mask. There is a different type of filter he is using to this. And Mr. Muhammad Imran, he is wearing life jacket. This life jacket is very heavy life jacket. If the person have a 150 kg weight, also this jacket have a capacity of this one, and it's good. And now the person is wearing full body harness. If 1.8 meter above we are going to there, we use to that. And this one is hard hood welder, and these people they are using this type of hard hood if we are working with the arc welding. And Mr. Hassan, he is wearing escape bottle in case of emergency. If there is a oxygen deficiency or something, at that time they can use, or if there is a chemical also. And he is wearing to self-contained breathing apparatus, whether it is a mask, without mask. And Mr. Mubashir, he is wearing to welding helmet and life jacket also. And Shah Sahab wearing the escape bottle. In case of emergency, they can breathe like this and they escape from that area. And he is wearing, Mr. Adnan is wearing the self-contained breathing apparatus, complete self-contained breathing apparatus. He can breathe in the smoke area and some different area. And especially if there is a dangerous gases or they cannot breathe, they can temporarily, for rescue also they can use to this self-contained breathing apparatus. And now he is wearing the scuba. If inside the water, they can use to this. And Mr. What's your good name?
Zain.
Mr. Zain is wearing, he is a commander, and he is wearing to this escape bottle. This one is also, but there is a breathing line. And how they can open the breathing line? Yes, but yes, it's okay. And they take the breathing line, and other side they can fix there, and they can use to this. And this one is life buoy. When we are working to their escape to somebody, or sometime if somebody is fell down to there in water, we can throw this life buoy. Then after that, we rescue the person. And these all equipment, flash shark suit is there. Somebody is wearing the flash shark suit. This one is mouth bed escape respirator 32, Dredge 32. This one is mouth bed escape respirator. When we are going to in dangerous area, at that time we use to these all. And this one is metal helmet. Somebody must be used to this metal helmet they use. And this one is also breathing line. When you are going to inside the water, give to somebody and they can wear. This one is cold vest. If we are working in hard weather or we are using the chemical suit inside, we wear to this cold weather, the cold vest. It's very important thing, but we must be aware to these all things. And Alhamdulillah, with our team and Wish and Deal Training Center, we have all type of equipment, tools, and safety devices. It's very important. This one is a round type helmet. When we are working in the some overhead lines, if the crossing to there in the chemical lines, at that time we used to this round type of helmet there.